You will not survive in the English speaking environment if you do not understand idioms. You will be confused. You will slow down conversation. And communication can't flow freely. But thanks to this video, you are about to learn and master 6 of the most confusing English idioms. 我们开始吧. So, what do you think of my business idea? You know, I thought about it for a while now, and you know what? I don't think it'll be successful without investing in a content creator. I can be the content creator. What do you mean? Do you remember the last time you tried to manage content creation alone? You know what? I'm tired of you not believing in me. I'm putting my foot down. Wait, your foot? Is there something wrong with your foot? Hey guys, English Coach Hannah here. So the phrase, I'm putting my foot down, means that the person is not going to continue to tolerate something. They are putting an end to what someone is doing. Oh, okay. You don't have to take it personally. I'm just stating facts. All right, okay. So what do you think we should do then? Let's hire a content creator. We'll talk about your ideas. And then you can have more time to invest in the business itself. You know, this is why I need you. You always tell me what makes sense. Straight up, this is why I trust you. Straight up? What? Hey, it's me again. When someone says this phrase straight up, it means to be honest. Americans use it as a slang to show that they aren't afraid of telling you the truth. It's a little bit confident. Oh, cool. Yeah, I appreciate that. The only thing is, I don't have the capital to invest in your idea. Yeah, because of inflation and the recession, I'm in the same boat. Boat? Are you okay? Because I don't see a boat around here anywhere. No. The phrase in the same boat means that the person is in the same situation as you are. Oh, okay. Wait, really? I thought you were rich, since you were the first one to invest in Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. That's all gone. You know how bad I am at managing my money. I really should have listened to you when you told me to hire an accountant. Well, we live and we learn. Yeah, and get this, inflation isn't slowing down. My buddies say that they think the recession will last all the way until 2024. Let that sink in. Whoa, wait, what? Yeah, insane, right? No, I mean, what you just said, let that sink in. Why did you make Elon Musk bring a sink all the way over here? Oh, you can go back home, Elon, I'm sorry. Whoa, okay, that would have been great because our sink actually doesn't work. But that phrase means to think about it more deeply. We use this phrase after saying something surprising or impactful. Oh, wow. Okay, someone give me a notebook because this is so much. Oh my gosh, thank you. Yes. All right, so I'm putting my foot down is I will not tolerate this anymore. Okay. Straight up is to be honest, confidently. Okay. And to be in the same boat. Okay, that is to be in the same situation. Got it? And let that sink in. That means think about it more deeply. Used after something impactful. Okay, where were we? My business idea. You know, I've been telling you so much about it, but I've only just scratched the surface. There's so many details that I haven't told you about. Wait. Let me try to guess using context clues, okay? Does that phrase mean that you have only just begun to talk about or do part of a big idea or project? Am I right? Wow. Actually, yes. Nice. Yeah, anyway, I don't think I have enough time to tell you everything. Yeah, I should get going. But you know what? We can continue chopping it up tomorrow if you want, if you're free. Well, what? Chopping it up?
It means chatting.
Okay, yeah, we can definitely continue chopping it up tomorrow at around 6. Same time. Yeah. No! Oh no, my notes. Which phrase are you gonna use in your next conversation? Let me know in the comments. To master English conversations even better, watch this video to understand what Americans really mean when we use common daily phrases. You don't want to get the wrong message. I'll see you there.